Hi there. Hello everyone. So as promised, I am back with a new uh, idea how to make your PPTs interesting. Today we'll discuss about fill in the blanks. How to make fill in the blank interesting in your online class as well as in your videos so that you can involve children also to interact with you. It should not be like one-sided. So how to make it very interesting. So let's do some animation and techniques added to the fill in the blanks so that the PPT looks colorful. As you can see the screen today, yeah, we have some fill-ups which is taken from grade 1 question 1. Especially this is useful for primary classes, trust me, because they are the children who want so much curiosity and eagerness to answer the question that we ask. They are very curious. So what we can do is make fill in the blanks so that we give a chance for them to read. So let's start the slides. So I have taken a sample slide, question time. We'll transfer this into a new slide. Okay, so I go to insert. How you should start the fill in the blanks. Go to insert. We have home, insert. If you can see the cursor moving here, home, insert. In that you have a text box. In the text column you have text box. Click on that and click on the slide and just type FI, fill in the blanks. You got it? But the font is very small. Font means the size of the letters are very small. So click on that, Control A, that means we selected all the letters, and go to home again. We have font, bold, and increase. A means increase the size. See, children love to see the letters in big figures, isn't it? Especially the lower classes, because it is visible and it retains in their mind. So next I'm going to insert again. I'll take the text box, put number 1 and type it. Ria is dash. You can how to put dash. You have to shift and click on the dash. Ria is dash years old, full stop. So you can either add the second one and third one continuously in the same text box, or you can go again back and go to insert and use another text box and type it as second one. Ria loves to play in the dash, full stop. Okay, again insert text box. I'm using a special text box for everyone because I want one text, one each fill in the blanks with a different color to make it colorful. Because if you put in the same box with the same box, we can put only one color for the particular box. If I'm using different boxes, I can put each fill up with a different color so that children can easily identify and love colors, isn't it? Colors really please our eyes. So when you're dealing with even till 6, 7, everybody like colors. So make it colorful and interesting, and so that children curiously listen to you. And next one, then Ria goes with her dog. What is it? So this is the question here. How to modify this? We normally type it and leave it and just show it. Now the font is very small. Let us make it big. How to make it big? Control A, go to bold, and increase the size. See, Ria is dash years old here. Second one again, Control A. We have to Control A, that is select the letters, sentence, bold, and increase the font. And third one as well, Control A, bold, and increase the font. Got it? Now you can adjust your fill-ups till these end. You get an arrow, see, like a cross mark. You can move it. Similarly this one, it depends each sentence which one you want very bold and the other one is very small. Here you can decrease, I think it's too long. Okay, here also it's too long, I believe. Now, there are two ways of writing the answers. You can either go with drawing. There is a drawing. There's a free cursor. You can just stick on it. See, you got a pencil. Ria is 5. Click on the left mouse completely and start writing. F I V E 5, isn't it? So it appears like this. When you click on that, then go to format, make it very bold. Similarly, we have done it separately. So again, this is one way of doing it. Ria is 5 years old. Okay, so what effect we are going to give? Fill in the blanks. Let us how to give effects. We have tabs here: home, insert, design, animation. Come to animation, click on custom animation. When you click custom animation, we have a left hand side we have a box like add effect. So I'm clicking now. Add effect is faded out because we did not select anything. Select fill in the blanks and click on add effect. We have entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths. So entrance, you can see it bounce. See, fill in the blanks will bounce. And I want to add another effect. I will say spin. See, it is spinning, isn't it? So 1 and 2 is added here. 2 effects are added. So Ria, I'm coming to this one and I'm going to add, before that I want to fill in the blanks not in the plain background. I want to add some color to it. Even you can change the font color and the background. Go to home. Here in the corner you have fill shape fill. So I am filling it with green. Wow, that's good. Now next, Ria. Ria is dash years old. Now I'm going to fill it with some colors like yellow. Very good. And this one with red. Okay, it appears like it's, I think better you don't do it. It is good in as it is, isn't it? What? Not white, yellow. So Ria is 5 years old. Now another effect I want to bring, because I can't show the answers when I'm asking the question. I want the children to think and then give the answer, isn't it? So what I'll do is I will hide 5. How to hide 5? I'll give an effect for Ria. I'll just go to entrance and I will select fly in. That means it flies into the slide. An answer I'm going to give has box effect. Box effect. That means it appears after the first fill in the blanks. Let us have a preview with a play. Yes, fill in the blanks will come. And then Ria is 5 years old. Only once Ria comes, we can give another effect for I, because it is seen. Box effect. Why don't you have a trial? We can have a slideshow. So with each click, fill in the blanks. Yeah, it gives a spin. Now Ria is dash years old. 5 years old. Isn't it, children? So let us do with another technique that I use normally. If you don't want this writing in cursive writing, you want plain letters typed as answers, click on that, add an effect. I add an effect as fly in, and also fill the color. I want to fill it with a different color, take blue. Okay, and now I'm again going to insert, go to text box, keep it here. Ria loves to play in the park. P-A-R-K, isn't it? It's a separate text box. Control A, bold. I'm increasing the font, isn't it? I'm keeping here. So this is the answer. Ria loves to play in the park, but park I want to give it a different color. So I'm putting it as red or green or anything of your choice. Let it be red, isn't it? So now I have given effect. I did not give any effect for park. Let me give an effect. With the effect, Our slide animation, our slide looks beautiful. Let's have a preview. Fill in the blanks. Then comes Ria is 5 years old. Ria loves to play in the park, isn't it? Let's do one more thing. Ria goes with her dog. Again, add effect. Now I want to use something different. Spin, isn't it? And before spin, I want it to fly in first. You explore all the effects that you have with your sentence. It takes time, but trust me, it's really enjoyable and you love it. Again, I'm going to type the answer. Insert text box dog, dog. Text box has not come. Text box, because it is highlighted. Insert text box dog, dog. No, it has not come again. Something is highlighted. Yeah, now it has come. Dog. Control A. Select turn bold. Now I'm going to give it a different color. Imagine giving it as yellow. I'm filling this as red. So these letters are not seen, so Control A letters, I'm changing the font into white. Can you see it? So our fill in the blanks is full of color and children love to answer this, isn't it? So why don't you have a preview or a slideshow of it? So dog, I am not giving any effect. I am going to give it a box effect. Box effect is the best so that it doesn't appear in the first. Okay, start the slideshow. Now it is very blank. You click it while recording or during the online classes. Fill in the blanks. Another click, it spins. This another click. Ria is dash years old. You can ask the children, how old is Ria? Give 2 or 3 seconds for them to respond. Ria is dash years old. Once they come up with certain answers, you can just show the answers. F-I-V-E, 5. Ria is 5 years old, isn't it? And second, Ria loves to play in the... Yeah, leave it to the children. They find the answers. Some come with the correct answers, some come with wrong answers, but you have some interaction with the children, isn't it? Then you say park. So how many of you got park? Very good. Well done. You can appreciate them. Third one, Ria goes with her dash. So children, lovely children, they'll come with answers immediately. Dog. Yeah, Ria goes with her dog. So this is how we can make films very interesting from right from KG to the any sections, any levels, higher sections, so that it involves little bit of your time, but you can make your PPT interesting and it's easy for you to handle the children online and make children also will be very curious to know. So thank you so much. That's it for this video. Next video I'll come with some other tips how to make your PPT interesting with a basic version of 2003 to 2003 or 2007. I'm using the basic version. It doesn't cost anything extra buying online. It's a basic version that you have on your laptop. And then if you really like this video, do subscribe me and hit the bell icon for further notifications, and do comment and support. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.